moms. Okay, ready? Thumbnail? I'm good. Thank you. Okay, so I'll just screenshot from the video so you can hold it and should I be like should we
I hate those reactions because I know it's just for the video and it's just to
look. Okay, so I was super excited because I asked Amit if he's had this. If he has, then I'm not going to record his reaction. If he hasn't, then I was like, content!
those popcorn chips.
Yes, these are kettle corn popcorn chips. Yes, correct. And they're kettle, so they're going to be a little sweet and savory. It's really good, I know.
At first it feels like it's not crunchy, but then
it gets crunchy. It's sweet. And then it has a popcorn smell too after. It's confusing. Amit's famous, I said famous potatoes. Yes? What? You need a bath. Crazy? I know. So we were having such a great time. How?
I don't know.
Hi guys, this is how I'm spending Valentine's Day weekend. On the floor in front of these awesome neighbors that have a sign that says kindly cut your pets off for lawn.
She can't ride bike. She went off-roading and she ended up making her tire flat. Bye.
Bye.
I'll be back with the car.
Have fun. Hi guys. Kai is sleeping right there. We never go biking, and the one day that we go biking, my back wheel explodes.
Hey, you got a boyfriend?
I'm not getting content. I'm like, who are you getting content for?
I know.
So guys, comment below, would you guys watch Amit's YouTube channel? No, honestly. If you were to watch his channel, what would you guys want to see? So he is really big into fitness and health. So if you guys have any, do you guys want workout videos, cooking videos? Do you guys want just a day in the life videos? Like you guys are just nosy and want to know what he does morning till night? Let me tell you, it ain't much. But just kidding. And he can't vlog in. You saw it. But anyways.
Hey, look at who are these crazy Asian people.
So yeah, let me know below if you would watch it. And thumbs up this video if you would.
You sound crazy doing that stuff because I don't think you've ever done that.
Wait, I've never been to Alum Rock, babe.
I know.
You've never taken me here.
Yeah, because I've only been here one time. You see, even kids are like happy maybe biking here, and you were like crying until you got a flat tire.
Let me explain. What he's talking about and what he's exposing is I'm a very safe person. And he wanted to go like bike on the street by these cars, like by the freeway, and that was just kind of creeping me out because you guys, we have a child and I'm literally a child, so I didn't want to die. So I get very stressed, and when I'm stressed I do get a little
You scream on the road.
I don't scream, I just talk loud naturally. But he's saying
yeah, that's called screaming.
Kai! Oh my god, precious.
Kai.
Kai! Kai! Hi! No. Please do that again.
They tell me these public bathrooms are not bougie. They have
I didn't see
the kitchen towel, and it's like Scott company. Like brand is Scott.
It's brands.
Yeah.
That means it's probably funded by the local people.
Yeah. I don't know.
Funded by the local people? What does that mean? I'm so happy. Are you ready?
Do you know that song?
I do. I know it from you. Okay, here we are. Oh, this is very peaceful.
Look at that sound of water. Look at the birds chirping. Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy.
Come on. Keep it coming. Okay. Yes. You are a natural rock star. Videos.
Shut up. That's on your YouTube channel.
Excuse you.
I thought you just wanted to go
Oh yeah, let me just go up.
up the stairs and just wanted me to record, but here you are dancing.
What's your favorite thing about Michelle?
She's cool. Wait, is it a different trail or what?
Oh. I can see there's a dog. Are they having babies? Thanks. You like it? That's what I was eating last night.
How did they make these then? If they're not right.
Read it on the back. Does it say?
16,000. Wait.
10,000. Go.
What?
Up.
No, you should put it there. No?
Wait, what?
Oh my god. That's it.
You know how I do it? I go this. Okay, one more.
Almost kept
I'll
it.
relax my tongue.
That's a good one.
Ah, if I do this, it's gonna choke me if it lands. Okay, go.
Oh, nice.
Ah, here. Okay, go. Had a fun day, huh? Kai, you're an itchy butt crack. He took a shower. He got brushed, and now he's just chilling. Guys, look how beautiful this basket. First of all, gold is my color. I don't do silver, so he got that down right there. And then look at the flowers. It doesn't look as good right now because the lights are on, but when they're off, it's really pretty. And we are drinking. First of all, how ghetto of us. We have a foil over this because his cork we left in the car. I got this when I was in Napa wine tasting with a fellow co-worker.
Rice too. Let me give you rice.
Oh, okay. Really yummy to me. I feel like it's nothing heavy. Oh, hi. You burped in the
Oops.
That's staying in there, sorry. What's your rating for this? Like,
That's good. 8.
oh, nice.
7 maybe.
Okay. I'm excited. So first, okay, let me show him the stuff over here. But Amit made shahi paneer because he knows that's like my absolute favorite Indian dish. And he made garlic bread with it, by the way. I don't know if you can see that. But he's air frying them. Smells freaking bomb. Are they ready to be pulled out or you want me to leave it running?
You can put it out.
Okay. Oh. Left them too long. You're gonna be very sad.
Oh no.
You're gonna be sad. No, don't look at it.
Wait.
You guys! Where did you find them? Oh my god!